How to fix crashing and black screen issues in Wuthering Waves on your PC. So the first step is you need to repair the game file by going in the library and clicking on the three dots and clicking on this manage button. Then you need to click on verify files. Now this process will check for and repair any corrupted game files, so you need to make sure to do this process. Next thing is you need to update your graphic driver by simply searching for the device manager in your search bar, and then you need to simply look for the graphic or display adapters. Then you need to select your graphics card and then click on the update driver. You can either browse with your computer if you have locally installed, otherwise you just need to click on search automatically for the drivers. If there is any driver available, make sure to install it. Then next step is you need to turn off in-game overlay in GeForce Experience. So you just need to search for GeForce in your search bar and then simply open it up. Now right now I cannot open it up because I don't have enough system requirements, but you just need to go to the general in the settings and simply turn off the switch next to the in-game overlay. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix crashing and black screen issues in Wuthering Waves on PC.